I want to do a little meta commentary before I address you directly. Just the meta commentary of, I just want to notice how when we create some room for the mattering, the conviction, the anger, the intensity to be welcomed in as a good
Mm,
thing, not something to cringe away from or tone down or sanitize, like when we work with it, the next place you went was sad. Like you were able to integrate the energy of the frustration. And then there was another layer of, I'm sad, I'm heartbroken, broken. And then you also began very naturally on your own using language of we. And your mind very naturally went to what I already trust about them. I trust that they care.
mm.
I trust that their intentions are in the right place. And you began using, we are wanting this, we are wanting this. And I name that just because that self connection that you're talking about is so integral and it's something that we skip over so quickly. And when we're fielding people or listening to people who are upset and angry, what we tend to do is we want to make the conviction go away. But when we can just relax and counterintuitively invite more of it into the space, you are already finding your own way through this. Do you notice that?
Yes, yes. And as you were speaking and reflecting, I do feel like tears coming.
Uh-huh.
That I am so sad that this has been we've been working on this legislation since 2020.
Yeah.
Our original intention was that this money that was voluntarily offered by the citizens of this state to
Mhm.
pay for this program. And it breaks my heart. And so I am grateful to
Mhm.
just settle into that
Mhm.
grief
Yeah.
and to take care of me in that first. So I
Yeah.
really love that you're naming that because I do skip that step. I
Mhm.
want to go to performance and make it nice. And I forget that there is wisdom. And as you've said, there's wisdom in that step-by-step process. So I really value that. I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. We need our anger and we need our outrage and we need our grief because these are all indications of what our hearts are caring about and what is and isn't working. And they also bring with them the energy we need to make the change. And when we can sit with them long enough, the wisdom we need to get to whatever the next step might be. So thank you for bringing all of that in. It gives me an opportunity to remind everyone of the importance of every single emotion. There are no bad emotions or negative emotions. We actually just want to create room for being in relationship with all of our emotions because they bring both motivational force and they alert us to what we are caring about.